Hello students. Hello students. In this video, we are going to see about cube of polynomial. So in the last video, we have seen 5 algebraic expressions, right? So all the formulas you have to remember. Now in this video, we are going to see 3 more formulas which will be very important. So the first formula is a plus b bracket q. Now see here, I can write this as a plus b bracket square into a plus b. Okay. Now, what is, see, how can I write this? See here, x to the power m into x to the power n, this will be equal to x to the power m plus n, right? So this we know, right? So m plus n is what? 3 here. So what will be, see, m plus n, what is m plus n here? 3, which is given in the problem. So I have taken m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 1. Okay, so I think this step is clear. Now we know a plus b bracket square. What is that? A square plus 2ab plus b square into a plus b. So let us multiply this. So multiply a square with a plus b. So it will be a cube plus a square b plus 2 2ab into a plus b. So it will be 2a square b plus 2a b square plus third is b square into a plus b. So it will be a b square plus b cube. Okay, so now you can club this two term and this two term, right? So what you will get? You will get a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, so this formula you have to remember. So again we will write here a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, remember the degree in each term, it is how much? It is 3. What is degree in each term? It is 3. Okay. Next, let us see the next formula. That is a minus b cube. Now, how I can write this? You can write a minus b bracket cube as a minus b bracket square into a minus b. Okay, so you can try by yourself. You can pause the video here and just check what final expression you are getting. So what is a minus b bracket square? It is a square minus 2ab plus b square into a minus b. Okay, so in each video, whether it's a formula or whether it's an example, we are going step by step. Okay, no shortcut is allowed, at least at this point of time. Okay, so if you want to score good in maths, if you want to be a good in mathematics, please solve the problems step by step. Okay, so that there will be no mistake and you will get the correct answer. Let us see. I am multiplying now by a square to a minus b. So first a square. So it will be a cube minus a square b. Then next is minus 2ab. So it will be minus 2a square b plus 2a b square. Next is b square to this. Okay, so it will be what? Plus a b square minus b cube. So again you can club these two to term I am going to club this two term and then this two term. So what I will get? I will get a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So what formula you will get? Therefore we can write a minus b bracket cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So please remember this formula. Okay, so you can write all these algebraic identities at the back of your notebook, so that whenever in case if you forget it, you can find it easily. And also if you write all the algebraic identities one by one, okay, one below the other, then it will be easy for you to remember. Okay, so these identities you will be required throughout your next years, right? Okay, so hope you have understood how we have found out a plus b bracket cube and a minus b bracket cube. I have shown you step by step. Now let us see little bit advanced. Now a plus b plus c whole cube. Okay, see here how we are going to solve this. Now what I will do, I will club, I will treat b plus c as one term. I will treat b plus c as one term. So it is as good as a plus b bracket cube. And we know its expansion, just now we have seen. It will be what? A cube plus 3a square into b plus c plus 3a into b plus c bracket square plus b plus c bracket cube. Is it right? Yes? Right. Now let us expand everything. A cube plus 3a square, okay, we will write it as it is, plus 3a. Now what is b plus c bracket square? It is b square plus 2bc plus c square plus, what is b plus c bracket cube? B cube plus 3b square c plus 3cb square plus c cube. Okay, now we will expand. We will remove all the bracket. So go step by step. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3a square c plus 3ab square plus 3 into 2 6abc plus 3ac square plus b cube plus 3b square c plus 3cb square plus c cube. Okay, is it right? Okay, now let us see what we can do further. So let me club this two term. Then I will club 3ab square and 3b square c. Next, I will club 3ac square Okay, is it right or we have forgot something? This is what? Okay, here we have done the mistake. Okay, see here. What will be this term? See, 3b square c plus 3c square b. It should be c square b. Yes. See here, again we will do it. 3c square b. Now you can take the common. So here you will get 3c square b. See what you will get. This will be equal to a cube. Sorry. A cube plus, I will take 3a square common. Okay, from this two term. It will be b plus c plus. Then the terms shown with red color, I will take 3b square common. So in bracket it will be a plus c plus the pink color one, I will take 3c square common. It will be in bracket a plus b plus. Now what are the remaining term? It is b cube plus 6abc plus c. Okay, so therefore, what is a plus b plus c bracket cube? It is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3a square in bracket b plus c plus 3b square in bracket c plus a plus 3c square in bracket a plus b plus last term 6abc. Okay, so maybe it is lengthy one, so chances are, okay, you have to be careful in this. Okay, so one mistake we are done. Okay, so mistake may happen, but you have to be careful. But if you do step by step, definitely I will tell you there will be less chances of any mistake. Okay, see how you will remember this. If it is a plus b plus c bracket cube, so you have to take the cube of all the three terms. Then 3a square into next b plus c plus 3b square. See, you are having a, b, c variable. 3a square into b plus c. Next, 3b square into c plus a plus 3c square into, you have to take the remaining term, addition of remaining term, a plus b. And lastly, plus 6abc. Okay, so please remember all these three formulas. Okay, these are very important, right? So hope you have understood the expansions of a plus b bracket cube, a minus b bracket cube, and a plus b plus c bracket cube. Thank you.